Reliance Communications today tanked 24% on news that the Anil Ambani company has defaulted on interest payments to more than 10 banks. The pain was felt in the other Reliance Group stocks as well, and the company on its part insists that it will soon make a repayment of 25,000 crores to its lenders. Neha Bothra joins in with the details, and Neha, that news definitely got the street nervous, panic selling.
Well, yes, Avan, this is something that did shake the stock today. In fact, do remember that the telecom sector as a whole is something the country is worried about, including the lenders. It's a ticking bomb that banks are really sitting on, with close to an exposure of around 8 lakh crore rupees. But specifically about Reliance Communication, do remember that we did get to understand from several bankers that we spoke with that the account is now classified as a SMA-2 account with many of the banks. What this really means is that the bank has failed to pay the principal and or the interest for 30 to 90 day period, and after this the bank will classify this account as a doubtful category account, and it's just about a couple of weeks away when it could potentially be classified as a non-performing asset. In fact, we tried to understand what kind of comfort banks are looking for, considering that it's just about a couple of weeks to go before Reliance Communication could weigh on the balance sheet, requiring more provisions going forward. Besides, do remember that the Reserve Bank of India has already mandated banks to provide more for telecom exposures, and this is something that banks are working upon. In fact, when I reached out to several banks, they told me they don't really have formal intimation from Reliance Communication as far as utilizing the proceeds of the 25,000 crore that we are given to understand Reliance Communication has offered to use for debt repayment before September. But banks are still awaiting clarity on this. In fact, a couple of lenders I spoke with say they are awaiting clarity as to how really this will pan out, but for now they don't have formal information as to what really the interim payment will be, considering that the account has already slipped into the SMA-2 category with many of the lenders. In fact, Reliance Communication Management is expected to answer many of these queries in a con call scheduled sometime just about minutes from now.